Hey guys, James with SPEEDhaus. We got a little project here for you. This is our brand new to us 2013 BMW X1 X-Drive 35i. The reason why this is special, guys, my wife has been wanting one of these forever, and I've been totally against it because I don't like the 4 cylinders. And here we go. We found a mechanic special, $4,000. It had a ton of issues, guys. We're gonna get this ready for my old lady. So far, what we've done to it, we've had to go through, we've changed valve cover gaskets, replaced the valve cover. We've done oil pan gasket, rod bearings, every belt, hose, and pulley that you can do on this thing. We've recoated the entire car. We've installed a new windshield. We've got her tinted up, detailed up, ceramic coated. Pretty much anything that's expendable on this car, we have changed. This is going to be her new daily driver. She has not seen it since we've got it. Mind you, we'll insert some pictures of when we first got it right here, and it was clapped out, guys. Didn't make any boost. It had numerous issues, hence the mechanic special. So today is going to be the reveal. This is going to be the first time she's seen it in 3 weeks. Let's hope she likes it. Little walkthrough. It is an M Sport car, which makes it even harder to find. This one is an N55 car, which was the last set of these before we went to the transverse front wheel drive cars. This is a E84 chassis. It is loosely based on the E90 chassis. So you can imagine this is a small sport SUV, or as I like to call it, a mini station wagon or hatchback something, but she's gonna love it. Also, Rue, the shop dog, is gonna be well equipped for this. We've installed the dog cover. So let's get to it, guys. She's waiting in the office. Let's go grab her and pray to God that's a good reaction.
Okay. Ah!
Yeah.
Rue.
Rue thinks I'm trying. All right, let go of my hand. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Is that the same car? No, it's not. That's my car?
We got new brakes, stud conversion. We put spacers. You got 12s in the front, 15s on the back, titanium lug nuts. We threw some universal side skirts on. We got your sticker. Got your kit license plate. Put a little generic wicker bill on just for right now.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Tint's done. Your windshield is tinted. We used the old white car's engine. Yeah, the carbon fiber engine cover, threw it on there. You do have the upgraded D1S bulbs on here. Obviously, everything underneath is pretty much replaced. Isaac did a great job detailing it. We do got to fix the hood. We changed the grills out for you. A little bit of redneck ingenuity to get that headlight stay in there until we get a new one. We are in Oklahoma.
My god, it looks so good. I love it. My floor mat.
Your custom floor mats you got for it again.
Oh my god, it looks like a whole new car.
And if you look in the back, I already put in custom this seat cover. Yeah, but it's not the hammock kind, so you can still put people in the back seat.
Oh my god, when can I drive it?
Right now.
Yes. I've been waiting for this.
She's never gonna get into this thing the way that I'm wanting her to get into it, not at first. So we're gonna let Gage take her for a test drive, and we're gonna see what this little bitty sports wagon's gonna do. We are gonna be building this car. Full bolt on. We are going to bag it at some point, and Inga's wheels. That'll be the first 3 things that we do.
But she doesn't know that.
She's going to find out. Also, guys, put in the comments below, do you want us to twin the white car? Should we roof box it, wrap it kind of the same? Should we twin this thing out? Let us know. Put it in the comment. In the last file I put on.
Ready?
Sure.
GPS connected.
Can it see me?
Yeah.
Thanks for fixing that for me. I would have never done it. Looks so good. It was so awful when we bought it. This thing is fast.
Moves on out.
believe it. That's why when we found it, we were like, a 6-cylinder?
Sure.
An X1? I'm gonna be zipping around in this thing. Those people just ran over the curb.
Yeah, they did. That was bad too.
Really bad.
That was.
It's a good little jaunt.
Yeah.
And you got paddles. You got paddle shift.
Oh, yeah, it does. I've never had a car with paddle shifters.
Are you going to be using them?
Probably
Probably
not.
not.
Probably not.
Catch it on the news, Rachel from SPEEDhaus caught street racing
Yeah, that would be great. That'd be a great headline.
in her BMW X1. I could just see it now.
Attorney at law, reckless driving charge. It looks so good. Everybody did such a good job. I'm so excited about it. I've been wanting him to build me a car for so long, and we just haven't
Sure.
been able to do it yet. Now I'm like into it. I'm like,
Sure.
she needs wheels.
She just cruises fine, just driving.
Yeah, it's really nice, smooth. She drives perfect. I can't believe this is the same car. It has a CD player still. Sick. That's what James said. Nick was like, I love this thing. It drives so good. It did okay. It did great. I love it.
Well, what's the verdict?
I love it. Better than I imagined. Honestly, it's fast. She's fast.
Not yet. Wait.
I can't wait to drive her.
It'll be fast.
To put the tune on
No, not yet, but we will next month.
it. I love it so much.
The birth of a car girl, everybody.